Hello everyone. In this video we are discussing a problem which is from Galilean. According to this problem, prove that an abelian group with two elements of order 2 must have a subgroup of order 4. So in this problem we have the given information. This group has order 2 elements and a subgroup of order must be of order 4. So how we can prove this problem? So look at this, the solution. First of all, we are writing here the given information. According to given information, it is given that this G is abelian. Abelian, it means the AB which is equal to BA. If G is abelian, so this implies the AB, product of AB which is equal to the BA. And according to question, it is given the order of A is equal to 2 and the order of B is equal to 2. If the order of A is equal to 2, we know that this implies A square is equal to E. It means the A has self-inverse element. The inverse of A is self-A. Similarly, if the order of B is equal to 2, so this implies B square is equal to E. And B is equal to B inverse. B is also self-inverse element in G. Now we are considering here H, which has the element E, A, B and AB. I'm taking the next element is AB. Why? If A has order 2, B has order 2. So according to what about the product of AB? So I'm taking here the element AB. Now we need to show that this H is a subgroup. So first of all, we are defining here Cayley table. So by Cayley table, in the row, the elements are A, B and AB. In the column, these elements A, B and AB. So E operate with E gives the element E, A, B and AB. E is to E is E. E is multiplied by A, so this gives A. E multiplied by B, so it gives the B. E into AB is AB. Now A into E is A. A into A is A square, and we know that A square is E. A into B is AB. A into AB is A square B. Again we know that A square is E, so this gives the element B. B से ऑपरेट करें, so B into E is B, B into A is BA, and it is given the BA is equal to AB, so I write AB. So B into B is B square is the identity, so the value of B square is E. Again B into AB is AB square, and this B square is E, so gives the value A. AB is operate with E, gives the value AB. And AB into A gives the value A square B. Again this A square is B, and AB square is A, and A square and B square. We know that this A square is E and B square is E. So product of E into E gives the value E. According to this Cayley table, this H is a subgroup of G. Why? Because all the elements are considering here. We consider E, AB and AB. जो भी H के एलिमेंट्स थे वो सारे इस Cayley टेबल में आ रहे हैं, कोई भी एलिमेंट इस Cayley टेबल से बाहर नहीं है. सो दिस H इज अ सब ग्रुप ऑफ G. नाउ व्हाट अबाउट द कंडीशन ऑफ दिस AB? जो हमने एलिमेंट कंसीडर किया है उसकी कंडीशंस क्या क्या होंगी? फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल, केस 1. अकॉर्डिंग टू केस 1, if AB is not equal to E, अगर जो हमने AB कंसीडर किया दिस इज नॉट इक्वल टू E, आइडेंटिटी के इक्वल क्यों नहीं है? इफ द AB इज इक्वल टू E, इट मीन्स दिस इम्प्लाइज A इक्वल टू B इनवर्स. फॉर इट द मीनिंग ऑफ दिस रिजल्ट इज A एंड B विल बी द इनवर्स ऑफ ईच अदर. बट क्या है, ऑर्डर ऑफ A क्या है? 2 एंड ऑर्डर ऑफ B इज ऑल्सो 2. सो दिस AB इज नॉट इक्वल टू E. जो AB हमने कंसीडर किया है वो आइडेंटिटी तो नहीं है. नाउ द नेक्स्ट केस, इफ AB क्या है? A के इक्वल है, सो look at this. If the AB is equal to A, so we can write this is as, so AB is equal to A into E. By left cancellation law, this B is equal to E, but B is not equal to E. You know that B square is equal to E, not B equal to E. So this is not possible. Again, अगर AB को हम B के equal लें, so this AB is not equal to B. अगर AB B के equal है, so what we get? We get A is equal to E, but A is also not equal to E. So from the above two cases, we can conclude that all the elements of H are distinct. Moreover, the order of AB is also 2. So यही हमें prove करना था. Now, the most important result, which is based on this subgroup H. So look at this. This is the note point. If G has the elements E, A, B and AB, जो अभी हमने H को प्रूव किया, अगर हम इसे G फॉर्म में ले रहे हैं, if the condition is this, A square and B square is identity and AB is equal to BA. ये क्वेश्चन से रिलेटेड इंफॉर्मेशन है, वहाँ हमने H को सब ग्रुप प्रूव कर लिया. बट व्हाट अबाउट दिस टाइप्स ऑफ ग्रुप? So it is clear that the G is abelian. And what about the order of AB? A का ऑर्डर हमें गिवन था 2, B का ऑर्डर हमें गिवन था 2. So what about the order of AB? So AB ऑर्डर फाइंड आउट करने के लिए दिस पावर्स को इंक्रीज करते हैं. AB की पावर 1 इज AB होगा सेम. सो AB की पावर 2. सो पावर 2 करने पर हम इसको इस तरह से लिख सकते हैं AB इंटू AB. एसोसिएटिविटी लगाएं इन दिस एलिमेंट्स में. सो A B A B B A according to Abelian condition. So this is equal to AB and B. So what it gives? It gives the A square and B square, and we know that this A square is E and B square is also E. So E dot E, the value is E. So order of A is 2, order of B is 2 and order of AB is 2. ये जो हमारा सब ग्रुप था या ग्रुप था, यहाँ पर एलिमेंट्स कितने हैं? 4. एंड ऑल द एलिमेंट्स हैव ऑर्डर 2. सभी एलिमेंट्स का ऑर्डर क्या है? 2 एक्सेप्ट आइडेंटिटी. सो ये मैंने यहाँ लिखा है, दिस ऑर्डर ऑफ ए, ऑर्डर ऑफ बी एंड ऑर्डर ऑफ ए बी इज 2 एंड द ऑर्डर ऑफ आइडेंटिटी इज 1. सो दीज टाइप्स ऑफ ग्रुप नोन एज कैली 4 ग्रुप और V4 ग्रुप. सो जो इस तरह की कंडीशंस को सेटिस्फाई करता है, उस तरह के ग्रुप को हम क्या बोलते हैं? कैली ग्रुप या V4 ग्रुप.